Hi everyone, it's Gary Nicholson here for the Mountain Weather Information Service. This is your planning outlook video for the weekend and beyond. A quick look at the charts for the next few days first of all, and on Wednesday the warm air is properly advancing northwards across the country with a warm front pushing north into Scotland. Murky conditions, drizzly rain across southwest Scotland into the southwestern Highlands, not too much elsewhere. Some low cloud may well be stubborn most of the day around those western coasts. Best of the breaks towards the northern side of the Cairngorms, and cloud breaking up increasingly across much of England and Wales. Wind strengthening though will be increasingly gale force across many of the western Scottish tops. Winds generally lighter on Thursday, strongest towards the northwest Highlands, the remnants of a front breaking apart, so some early low cloud and fog to low levels, but breaking up with many tops clearing. Western and southwestern Scotland around the coast may just struggle, but overall it's a dry day and feeling pleasantly warm, particularly in England and Wales in the sunshine. Light winds for many on Friday. High pressure is in charge. Again, some early morning low cloud and mist and fog patches around, but will break up and clear. Most summits clearing then. Western Scotland, the northwest Highlands may just struggle a bit with lower cloud coming in on a westerly breeze here and some spits and spots of rain across the northwest Highlands. Otherwise, a dry and bright picture. How about the weekend then? Well, high pressure is centred toward the east on Saturday. We're drawing in the air mass from the south. A warm picture for most places, dry and bright overall. Some low cloud patches maybe just around some western coast, but overall I think many summits should be clearing. Small chance of an afternoon shower, maybe just across the hills of Wales, perhaps western Scotland, but I think most places will be dry. And a warm picture as well. Temperatures on the higher tops, England and Wales, getting up to 9 or 10 by the afternoon, something like 7 or 8 on the Scottish Munros. Changes by Sunday look likely though, and timing and detail is tricky, but a front coming in from the Atlantic just destabilising things. The risk of a few heavy showers breaking out, particularly into the afternoon. It might develop into some more organised rain across western Scotland as that westerly flow just comes in there. So lowering cloud onto western Scottish mountains, higher cloud bases toward the eastern side of the Cairngorms, and it really depends across England and Wales just what showers break out. We could see some banks of cloud then covering the hills and the mountains once they do develop. Temperatures lowering as well, and across the higher western Scottish summits, say Ben Nevis for example, you might only be 1 or 2 Celsius by the daytime on Sunday, so a drop compared to what you'll have seen on a Saturday by a degree or so. Looking at the longer range trends into next week, and briefly higher pressure tries to come back in from the Atlantic on Monday. We've still got a general westerly flow across Scotland though, producing lower cloud toward the west and the risk of some patchy rain coming in there. It may be England and Wales see something of a dry and a bright day for a time. I think overall the trend for next week is that the Atlantic westerlies will dominate and bringing areas of rain or showers in from the west. Blustery winds at times. Day-to-day detail is going to be rather tricky, but overall looking cooler, more changeable, showery week for most places. Temperatures may dip toward or just below freezing again at some point on the higher Scottish tops. So something cooler after this little taste of something warmer over this next few days. As far as this weekend is concerned, it looks like Saturday is the pick of the 2 days. Stay right up to date with your local details in all the text files updated every single day at the Mountain Weather Information Service website. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.